All right, take 17. Let's see if this one works. So if you are ready to submit your PowerPoint, this is what you chose to do for your project. I'm going to show you how to do this. Somewhere in your window, you will see this little share icon. For some of you, it may be a little bit different. Maybe you have it in file, maybe yours is over here like mine is. But before you do that, make sure you've gone through your slides, make sure you have everything you need. You have the name of your natural disaster, and you have your name so we know who you are. All right, then you're gonna click your share, wherever it is. Yours may look a little different. Right here it says anyone with the link can edit. Now, I don't want anyone to edit my project that I worked so hard on. So I'm gonna keep it on anyone with the link, and I'm gonna check off the allow editing. What that means is that whenever your teacher gets the link, you will not, he or she will not be able to edit it or change anything that you've done. So what I have asked my students to do is to copy the link and send it to my email. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna click copy link. All right, you see where it says link copied. And then I've already typed up my email here. Make sure you put your email to your teacher. Put your name in the subject so I know who it's from, that this is about your natural disaster project. And we're going to use proper email etiquette. Good evening. Below is a link to my flood PowerPoint. Thank you. Enjoy. And then I'm going to right click and paste that link in there. All right. So your teacher's going to click on that and have access to view your PowerPoint. And you're going to click send. Make sure you click send so it goes to their email.